Today we talk about how can you change password on your Decathlon app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just click on, you click here in this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do, you just go down here, so then you click here on my personal info here. So when you just click on it here, it's going to show for you like this. Use here your pattern here or your code. So then you just switch into open video here and you click here on my password. Just click on it, you click here on change my password here. So then here it's going to take you to change it in this list here. So you just switch into open video, then it's going to take you to change your password. That's all you have to do. So here add your current password, then your password, and confirm new password. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.